Hi, my name is Julia Varela, and I am enrolled in the Fast Track BSN program at Walsh University. So what drew me to the career in nursing was one of my childhood experiences. My grandmother actually used to be in and out of the hospital with surgery. So at a very young age, starting at around 7 or 8 years old, I actually had to translate from Spanish to English and vice versa with the doctors. And ever since then, I didn't want to do anything but become a nurse. When I was looking for nursing schools, I decided to choose Walsh because of the high NCLEX passing rate that they had amongst many other universities around the area. Aside from that, I also liked the curriculum that worked with my work schedule as well. After graduation, I would like to work in an acute care or emergency room setting. Once I'm done with that, then I would like to travel around the world to third world countries and serve those kind of populations in an acute care setting. The Walsh faculty and staff has helped me in numerous ways. Most recently, I have been applying for a scholarship, the Nurse Corps scholarship to be exact. They have been super easy to work with, timely manner responses to my emails. They provided me with my transcripts and 24-hour turnover rate when I just gave them a week in advance. They were really helpful, and I was able to turn in my application on time. For my classes, every single class I've learned something new. My experience has been completely not what I expected in a good way, and I'm really excited to get further into the program and learn more.